guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So today it will be all about facial hair removal. Today I'll be trying the Nair Face Cream Moisturizing. It's a thorough hair removal, long-lasting visible smoothness, and also easy, fast, and pain-free. So this is what I got at the store. I bought this, I think it was like for $5 or $6. I bought it at Walgreens because it was closer to me. Usually the way that I shave my face or remove the peach fuzz, it will be with one of these. But I wanted to try something different on my channel, and usually I tend to, I do my edges because this will be all the way down to here, and mama don't like that. So I just go in the way that the hair grows with some cream, but I wanted to try this out and see how I like it. So the bottle comes in 0.20 ounces. So if you would like to know how this applied to my skin and how it will work, then keep on watching. Also, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So let's go. Alright, so the first thing I did, it was go ahead and the first thing I did is just wash my face. So my face doesn't have anything. I did do my brows because yeah, mama don't like no browless. Okay, so what this says is, I'm going to read what it says in here. It will be, the instruction is to apply the cream, remove before you apply the cream, remove all makeup, squeeze cream into fingertips, smooth on a thick, even layer to cover the hair. Do not rub. That's one of the main things that I caught my attention, and it's on bold. Leave in the cream for 5 minutes, then check a small area for hair removal. Total hair removal depends on the thickness of the hair, does not come off after 5 minutes. Leave the cream for a few more minutes. Do not exceed 10 minutes. How to remove the cream, gently wipe off the cream with a damp washcloth. Do not rub once the hair oil is being removed. Rinse skin thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat dry. Keep bottle in a tightly closed in between uses. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So the first thing is I'm going to be this says that it is for upper lip, chin, and face. So my one of the things that I have noticed is when I don't shave, I have a lot of peach fuzz on this area, and then I'm going to try it here to see if it will work, and I'm going to put it on this area here, so pretty much the entire face. So let's go. It's not that bad of a scent, so I'm going to just try to do an even layer. And be very careful the hairs that you don't want to remove. Okay guys, so it's completely applied all over pretty much on my face. And I'm going to leave this for what it says, 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back with the results just to wipe my face off, and you can see how much hair came off this face. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this has been on my face a little bit over 6 or 7 minutes. So I'm going to use a makeup wipe to, since the cloth, it's white. So you can see how this it worked. I'm going to start from the bottom. I have a lot of peach fuzz on here, so I'm going to just, not from the bottom, I'm going to start from here and see if it removes it. Oh, yeah. Alright. Peach fuzz completely removed. Oh, my God. Okay, so I'm going to fold it again. Alright. Here I'm going straight, just being very careful with my brows. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome, you guys. Everything is gone. My face, it feels red. This area here, it's a little bit more itchy than usual. And yeah, I have like little hives, and that's totally, to me, that will be normal. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish rinsing out my face and making sure that all this product it's removed. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so my face is completely rinsed out. I am having a little bit of hives on my face, so I just use some toner just to refresh everything out and kind of cool the skin. But remember, you're using a product that it's meant for your face. This has some sweet almond oil, but I just used some toner, and actually it was one of my witch hazel rose petal water. And what I'm going to do is really moisturize my skin, so I'll be using my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Just to put some moisture back on your face. So today I will not put any makeup on my face, just to make sure that I give some hydration on my face. But yeah, I have some still peach fuzz around this area here, so I'm going to wait 1 or 2 days before I go ahead and do another coat of this product. But yeah, I kind of like how my face is completely even, and especially when you apply makeup products like powder, they tend to cling on this area, my highlighter. And even though every time I shaved, it was not removing the entire hair. So this will be another option that I'm going to consider. I'm going to see how my face reacts, and I'll put all the comment below. Sorry about my shirt. This is just chocolate. I just saw that right now on my viewfinder. But yeah. I'm going back to this. I just got distracted. My entire stash is completely gone. Under here, it's completely gone. So the only areas that I still have is a little bit here, but I'm okay. I'm just shaving this area. I have a little bit here and here, but yeah, that's it. I really like the product. I just don't like, after a while, especially when you're ready to rinse, it's when the smell, like a bomb smell, stinky smell, and odor comes out. But so far so good. I'm going to keep on trying this product, and any comment that I have on the long run, I'll keep you posted in the bottom bar. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel like I mentioned before, and I like it. So far so good. Did the job. When you put makeup, it will be completely flawless, and it will be an even canvas just to put all of the products that I like to use on this face of mine. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Know that I love you so much. Besotes. Bye bye.